Hello, we're making an avocado salad today, and for that we need 2 avocados, 2 hard-boiled eggs, 2 Roma tomatoes, 1 lemon, the juice of 1 lemon or half a lemon if it has a lot, the onion, salt, pepper, and extra virgin olive oil. I am using organic olive oil from or extra virgin olive oil from California because it goes really good with this salad. And we're going to chop all the ingredients, the eggs, white eggs, because it's protein, and believe it or not, it goes extremely well too with the avocado salad. So I recommend it, try it, and you'll see that you will like it. If you haven't subscribed yet, consider subscribing. You have a button at the bottom of the screen on the right that you can just press, and you will be notified if you also activate the little bell on the top about more videos. You can also check out, if you stay till the end of the video, you might like the videos that I'm going to put there, and you can also check out all the playlists that I have. I have divided them in categories, different meats and side dishes and whatnot. This is the way I cut the avocado, which most of you, if you're from California or Florida, you already know. And just twist and open the avocado, and I use the heel of the knife to get the seed. It's a lot easier, and a paper towel so you don't cut yourself. And a tablespoon to get the avocado out of the skin. And now we just have to chop it. And I have already squeezed the lemon juice. So the avocado is going to go into the lemon juice that I put in that container, in that dish, so that it doesn't brown. Now we have the eggs, the avocado, remember it has the lemon juice already, the tomatoes and the onions, salt, pepper, and olive oil. Now we just have to add all the ingredients, give it a little mix. It's going to be this particular salad is going to be a little bit wet because I am pouring, it has lemon juice, it has a little bit of a uh, red wine vinegar, and it has the olive oil. So it's a little bit wet, but it's extremely delicious. Don't forget to taste the food once you make it to make sure that it has enough salt, pepper, and the acidity level is the right one. You don't want it too acid in comparison with the other ingredients, but you don't want it to be that, not to have enough acidity, if you will. Has to I like my foods to have a balance, if you will. So taste it. Taste your food. That one was just fine, just fine the way I did it. So now we just have to plate, and I'm plating it on lettuce leaves. I use a mold for the picture, but usually what I do is I just put it directly on the lettuce leaves, and I wrap it like a taco or or a spring roll, and I just eat it like that, and then you eat all the everything that is on the plate, the lettuce, in addition to the other ingredients, and that is coarse sea salt, and that's it. Thank you. Watch the videos at the end and check out my playlist. Thank you for subscribing. Bye bye.